All right, can you take your video that you own, you made it with your cell phone or your webcam, and can you go ahead and just simply re-upload it again on your exact same YouTube channel? Yes, you can. It'll definitely be uploaded there for a little while, but no matter what, once it's kind of nice and cozy in YouTube's bed, so to speak, they're going to identify it as an exact video. And of course, you can dice it up. You can even take a video that's, let's say, 20 minutes and make it 5 minutes, and 10 minutes, and upload it as a three-part series versus the original 20-minute one. At the end of the day, they're going to identify that it's an exact video. And if you do it all the time, you're probably going to get demonetized. I like making extra money with my channels. Every one of mine is monetized, which means, if somebody watches my videos, I get a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there, sometimes as high as $1,500 here. It's awesome. Google AdSense has been around a long time. So if you're lucky enough to go ahead and get your channel monetized, I think last count, I can't remember, what is it, 4,000 subscribers and 5 billion hours or something. I mean, you guys can look it up. I forgot what the criteria is now to be monetized. I should know, but as I sit here making the video, it's not off the top of my head, but just type in, how do I monetize my YouTube channel? And it clearly states what you need to do as I make this April of 2023. But I advise people not to re-up their exact video. Now, if you're going to use maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, or maybe there's something that's pretty unique about a video that you made, and you're making, let's say, a 10-minute video, but you're only using 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute of something like a flashback, I mean, of course, you can do that. But if you're going to go ahead and just upload an exact video of one that you posted, it could be a month ago, 5 months ago, it could be 10 years ago. Of course, YouTube has the software to identify it as an exact video. And the reason why is if your channel is monetized, they don't, and if you're lucky enough to, let's say, make $50 a month on one video, you're thinking, okay, well, why don't I just upload it 10 times, and maybe I have a chance of getting 10 times $50. That's better than 1 times $50. So when it comes down to re-uploading your exact video, for whatever reasons, I get it. Sometimes it's tiring. I make a lot of video. I'll tell you what, and I know some of my other buddies do too. It's definitely, some days you can't wait to make a video, and other days you're like, oh my God, I got a lot of other stuff I need to do. But I enjoy making video. But at the end of the day, if you're watching this, you probably clicked it to see, can I upload my exact same video, or cut it in half and use it as a 2-part series versus one. If you want to go ahead and take your video off and delete it and then re-upload it, I think YouTube will not frown upon that. Obviously, if you're taking the video that you made months ago down and re-uploading it, I think that with the etiquette of YouTube's computer, who makes the end-all be-all decision, I don't think they'd have a problem with that, because you're taking one 100% off and re-uploading it, so you're not trying to monetize, let's say, the same channel 2 or 3 or 5 or 600 times. Believe me, if we could re-upload our most successful videos unlimited, it would really destroy YouTube's fun, and it would destroy the whole money-making ability as far as Google AdSense, which is nice extra change. You can make a lot more money by talking about an opportunity, I think, when you do make a video like this, leading someone to another opportunity. I like pleasewatchvideo.com. I'm in a company called LiveGood. So if you're watching this and you're in LiveGood, it's an affiliate program. I make some bucks by people wholesaling, purchasing nutritious, wellness, health-oriented products like, protein powders, CBD oil, vitamins. There's a lot of cool stuff that we sell with LiveGood. And I feel that you can make some nice money by making a video talking about something and diverting someone to either click below your link or maybe just say it outright, pleasewatchvideo.com in this case. But if you are fortunate enough to get Google AdSense money coming in, that's awesome. I make enough on Google to afford my house payment and my cell phone. So it's kind of like I get a free place to live and a free cell phone from Google every month. And that's awesome. So am I going to try to destroy that relationship I have with Google? No way. It's just not worth it. I'd rather just put on the video. And you know what's best about making a new video? When I started making videos, I had like darker. It's just funny how you change. You look at a video like 5, 10 years ago and you go, God, I really do look different. My face is skinnier. Maybe I'm chubbier. I got lines on my face. How come my beard is now white instead of brown? So you can age gracefully by making videos. And you can watch yourself and critique. Most people go, God, 10 years ago, I really wasn't that bad looking. Or, oh, my body was much better 20 years ago. And I should have loved myself more. But anyway, it's fun not to like your voice or your looks and whatnot. So I get it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching my video. And if you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, that's also cool as well. So, but I think at the end of the day, don't re-upload your exact same video, especially if it's existing on YouTube servers as you do it. All right. Okay, we'll talk to you guys next video. It's coming up right up there, this one. All right, click right up here. Thanks, guys.